Hello, I'm Nabilah from Kampong Siluk. Today I want to make simple bracelet. And with me today, my daughter Alia Kosa, my nephew Dylan Suki, and my niece Tresha Bracy. Okay, well, what we need today is here clay beads that we have done earlier on, and this is a sample of bracelets that we have done, and we're gonna make this. Okay, and what we need is a cotton wax coat, and a few pieces of clay beads. I have to show you how to do it first, and everyone look here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. Teresa, Alia, and Dylan, please look here. Okay. This is what I have strung just now, and I will let you see how to finish the bracelet. I have one coat that is strung, and I will use another coat to wrap up the coats to make it movable, to lock up all the coats there. Okay, here I will put one coat there, one end to the left and one end to the right, and I will use a little aid here, a straw, a small straw. Then hold it there, secure it there, and I will wrap the straw with one end of the coat from the right towards the left, just like this. 2, 3 rounds, 4 rounds, 5, 6 should be enough. And I will throw in the ends back to the right through the straw and push it. There it is. It's done. Okay? So the bracelet is done. Let's do it. String yours too. Okay. Okay. Come, let's do yours. Okay. This goes. This the step. Now you stop. Where's the straw? Yes, it's too many. Okay. Let's do the center part. Okay. And then put in. Okay. Some more. Put in your beads. There. Some more. Put in the red beads. Okay. Put in some more beads. Okay. That's it. Put it in the wrist. Okay. Here. Okay, good done. Okay. Move the string, move it round and round. This string. Like this. One. One. Good. Okay. Again. Yes. Good. Push in there, push in there. Like this. Pull, pull, Dylan, pull. Pull, pull this too, pull that too. Okay, pull. Done. Put it on your hand. Put it on your hand. Okay. Thank you, everyone.